This is Eric with EJ Flooring. Another question from a homeowner asking us about what do I mean by don't use drywall in a shower? Because everybody knows you can just use green drywall and tile right over it and you're good. No, actually that's not true. The drywall manufacturers, USG and the others will tell you that their green drywall or purple or blue or whatever the color you want to put on the paper is fine to use in a bathroom, but we don't want to be using that as a tile backer in a shower area, be it residential or commercial. The reason for that is because that's too much moisture for that sheetrock to handle. Now, if you have drywall up in a shower, we actually have some waterproofing. We can go over it, be code compliant, and get you a lifetime warranty. If we get to the job early enough, we would certainly prefer from studs out to use our preferred system. We can true up the studs a little bit better and just give you an overall better job without adding any extra cost to it. And so if you have any questions, feel free to leave them at the bottom of the video, comments. If you want to ask a question, we'd be happy to feature you on an upcoming video. Just feel free to leave one of those as well. Click the bell icon and the subscribe button to keep up with our latest videos. And just thanks for watching.